Good day, in this video we will going to connect the TP-LINK CPE220 to the main router and give internet access to the secondary router. You can use any router as you want. So let's begin. In this video I use TP-LINK router as my main router and Mercusys for the secondary router. You can use any brand if you want.
In my case the internet is in my main router and I'm going to pass it to my secondary router. We can achieve this by using TP-LINK CPE220 as Wi-Fi repeater. By demonstration we will going to connect the CPE220 to the main router and give internet access to the secondary router. To begin, grab your TP-LINK CPE220 PoE injector, make sure you have outlet near you, and of course your laptop and straight through cable. When you look at PoE injector it has two ports, the PoE and the LAN. Grab your straight through cable and plug it to the PoE port of PoE injector and connect the other side to the PoE port of your CPE220. Grab another cable and plug it to LAN port of your PoE injector and plug the other side to your laptop or computer. Once you are connected in LAN, disable your Wi-Fi. Put temporary IP address for you to access the default web interface of your CPE220. Go to your browser and enter the default IP of your CPE220. The default IP is 192.168.0.254 and hit enter. Enter the default user account of admin and the password also is admin. Select your country. Tick the checkbox and click login. You can register your new user account and click finish. As you can see you are now on the web interface of your CPE220. Change your operation type to repeater and click OK. And click Save. Reload your browser. Go to Network tab. You can change your default IP if you want. Go to Wireless tab. Click Survey button and select your main router. Enter your main router password. Wait for a while and click Apply again and click Save button. Click System tab and you can change your profile account if you want. Now that we are done, remove the temporary IP address we set earlier and let's check if we can now access the internet from the main router.
Baby,
Now that we are successfully connected, we can now unplug the LAN cable to our laptop or computer and plug it to the secondary router to the WAN port and enjoy your internet. Thank you for watching.